the immunogenic response to the vaccine is less when you take large amounts of alcohol post-vaccination. That is true for COVID-19 vaccine. That is true for other vaccines as well. Now, when someone says, I don't want to vaccine, don't want to take the vaccine, I don't want to vaccinate, it's like you're saying, I am willing to accept the 15 out of 100 chance of me dying if I get the vaccine, especially if I'm an alcoholic. Most of them will have chronic liver diseases. A lot of the alcoholics, they have tuberculosis and have had tuberculosis in the past, so their lung is already compromised. Once there's severe liver disease, the kidney also is compromised. A lot of them have diabetes, which is coexisting with the disease. So if someone says, I don't want to take the vaccine because I don't want to abstain from alcohol, it's the same as saying, I am willing to accept the 15% chance that I will die of COVID-19. For us to say that it's okay to not vaccinate, I think it's wrong. It's very wrong. So people have to encourage themselves, and the relatives have to encourage their family members who are dependent on alcohol. One way that one can probably go around that problem is maybe you can contact any health facility before you take the vaccine, so that we can give the medications that will prevent a withdrawal syndrome. Preferably that can be done. It should not be a problem. We can give medications so that they'll not develop withdrawal, they will not develop seizures for the 28 days, or at least for the 2.5 months. And if they so wish to take alcohol as adults, I don't think we have the right to say don't take alcohol as well. But during the time of the vaccination, if they genuinely want to take the vaccine, please contact any healthcare facility. We will be very glad to help them out during that situation. Thank you very much.
See, another thing about alcohol, okay, I think that is a very important point. I think many also are refusing vaccine because once you take the vaccine, that means the first night, no alcohol. Now this applies to all types of diseases. If you are sick, even if you have acute gastritis, if you have common flu, if you have any other disease, when we prescribe medicine, the first advice is refrain from taking alcohol. For people who come for vaccination, our advice is refrain from taking alcohol. We are adults. When we say refrain, it's up to you. It's not going to kill you. It's only that it's going to deactivate the vaccine.